The road to luxury has a new ruler, the 2026 Titan Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's a moving palace, a marvel of design and technology that transforms every journey into a first-class experience. Imagine a motorhome so refined, so intelligent, and so commanding, it makes even luxury hotels look modest. The Titan Motorhome isn't built for ordinary travelers, it's built for those who expect perfection, wherever the road may lead. Step inside, and prepare to be stunned. The 2026 Titan Motorhome feels less like an RV and more like a floating mansion. As the automatic doors glide open, you're greeted by a warm glow of ambient lighting and the aroma of hand-stitched Italian leather. The floors are made from real marble composite with heated panels beneath, and the walls are lined with walnut and brushed aluminum. The living area feels like a luxury suite from a 5-star resort. 2 reclining lounge chairs face a 75-inch 8K OLED display that folds seamlessly into the wall when not in use. A voice command instantly adjusts lighting, climate, and music. The cabin feels spacious, quiet, and infinitely relaxing, a sanctuary designed for travelers who never want to compromise. Move further in, and the kitchen is a chef's dream. A quartz countertop hides a full induction cooktop, smart oven, and a built-in espresso machine. Storage is modular and motorized. Open a cabinet and it glides smoothly into reach. It's practical luxury done perfectly. The bedroom suite takes opulence to another level. A California king-size bed floats in the center, surrounded by curved glass windows that can shift from transparent to tinted at the touch of a button. The audio system, a 4D surround setup designed by Bang & Olufsen, fills the cabin with immersive sound, making every movie night or playlist feel larger than life. And the bathroom? It's pure art. A rainfall shower with chromatic LED lighting, a heated marble floor, and a self-purifying air system that ensures freshness every time. The sink and mirror combination features gesture control, while the toilet system uses smart water filtration to minimize waste. Every inch of the bathroom is about comfort, cleanliness, and class. But luxury means nothing without performance, and the 2026 Titan Motorhome delivers it like no other. Underneath that elegant frame lies a twin-turbo hybrid V12 engine, paired with dual electric motors for instant torque. Together, they produce an astonishing 1,200 horsepower, making it the most powerful production motorhome ever built. For off-grid living, it's a dream. The Titan's solar array generates up to 15 kilowatts of power, feeding a massive 250 kilowatt-hour battery system that can run the entire motorhome for up to 2 weeks without plugging in. Now let's talk numbers, because greatness has its price. The 2026 Titan Motorhome starts at $2.3 million, and with custom interior packages, it can easily surpass $3 million. But for those who can afford it, this isn't an expense. It's an investment in lifestyle, prestige, and absolute freedom. The Titan isn't just another luxury motorhome. It's a symbol of arrival. It's for those who don't follow trends, they create them. It's for travelers who believe the road is not just a way to reach destinations, but a place to live in beauty. When the sun sets and the road stretches endlessly ahead, the 2026 Titan Motorhome doesn't just move, it inspires. It's where technology meets tranquility, and where adventure meets artistry. This is more than luxury. This is Titan. The new definition of what a motorhome can be. If you enjoyed this look at the most luxurious RV of 2026, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us as we continue to explore the future of travel, one masterpiece at a time.